Hi, my name is Mackenzie. I'm a Microsoft device specialist with Data 3, and this is the Surface Hub 2S. Microsoft Paint has evolved. Now we're able to create in a whole different dimension. So with their built-in 3D library, we're actually able to pull 3D models into our workspace. In this example, what I'll do is I'll actually bring a heart. Paint 3D supports multiple 3D formats, including 3MF, FBX, and OBJ, which allows you to import these models and view them on the Surface Hub. Not only that, but you can actually take these models and use your screen snip feature to bring them back into your whiteboard so you can continue to collaborate with all your peers. If you'd like to learn more about the Surface Hub 2S, then contact a Surface specialist at Data 3 or visit data3.com.au.